Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ryan Saputra from class from Ecobis. The Witches by Roald Dahl. So the annual meeting of witches in a ballroom. I hit and pivot around the big leg of the chair. I tried to count the witches, but I felt as suddenly hundreds of witches that began walking out through the doors of the ballroom. I looked around the ballroom to ensure that they had all. The big room was silent. Then I started moving cautiously on the floor. When I moved the next chair, I remembered Bruno, my close friend. I was sure he must be around here too. Bruno. I hesitated, called out. My voice was shaky, a mouse could speak. I was very scared. I thought I would lose my own voice as I had become a mouse. I was expecting that I would be able to speak at all now that I was a boy anymore. I didn't think seriously that I could hear my own perfectly normal voice coming out of my tiny mouth. It was amazing. I was jumping and running while trying to call out again. Bruno, Jenkins, where are you? If you can hear me, come closer or give me a shot. I was thrilled and I tried once again, but now spoke as loud as I could. Bruno, do you hear me? Where are you? Don't be afraid. I'm your friend. Don't you recognize my voice? There was no answer. Bruno did answer me. He might be hiding in a different room. I whispered to myself. I pottered around the side legs, trying to get used to being so close to the ground. I decided that I'd rather like it. You are probably wondering why I was devastated at all. I found myself thinking, what's so great and wonderful about being a little boy anyway? I have been a little boy for 8 years. I have to wake up early in the morning as my school will close the gate 5 minutes before the lesson starts. I have to prepare my lesson every day. I have to pass exam with good grades. Mice don't have to worry about education. It is necessary for them to go to school. What a wonderful life! People always think to get rid of mice as soon as they meet them. They get hunted and poisoned or caught in traps. But little boys sometimes get killed to crazy motorcycle drivers or some awful illness. As far as I know, mice only have two enemies, human and cats. My family are humans, and I'm glad that they will always love me wherever I am. I will be safe living with my family as they never keep cats. As a mouse, I don't have to go war and fight against other mice, much like either other. I feel pretty certain about it. People don't. Yes, I don't think it is a bad thing to be a mouse. I was wondering, I am listening around the ballroom, floor, thinking about all this when I spotted another mouse crouching on the floor It was holding a piece of bread in this front paws and nibbling away with great gusto. Bruno, I told myself. I'm sure he is Bruno. Hello, Bruno. What have you found? Oh, it looks yummy. I spoke to him rather loudly. He only glanced up at me for about a second, then went right on guzzling. Bruno, what you found? I repeat, fish pastry sandwich, very delicious. What's some? He responded happily, no thanks. So you saw the wizard too? I said to him, the wizard. Ah yes, one of them dropped it pretty good. He spoke aimlessly around the ballroom floor, thinking about all this when I spotted another mouse crouching on the floor. It was holding a piece of bread in this front paws and nibbling away with great gusto. Bruno, I told myself, I'm sure he is Bruno. Hello, Bruno, what have you found? Oh, it looks yummy. I spoke to him rather loudly. He only glanced up at me for about a second, then went right on guzzling. Bruno, what fish you found? I repeated, a fish paste sandwich, very delicious. When some? He responded happily, no thanks. So you saw the wizard too? I said to him, the wizard, yes. One of them dropped it pretty good. He spoke a perfectly normal voice. I expect the missed voice would be small and squeezed voice, but Bruno's voice remained the same. He spoke very loud his voice. Terrifically funny to hear his loud voice coming out from his thin throat. Listen, Bruno, I said, since we are both mice, I think we need to start thinking about our future. He stopped eating and started at me with his small black eyes. Our future? What do you mean? You become a mouse had nothing to do with me. I'm a boy. I'm not mouse. He answered angry. It's true. I'm a mouse, but so are you, Bruno. I don't believe you. Don't be a fool. I'm not a mouse. I'm afraid you are, Bruno. No, I'm sure I'm not. Why are you insulting me? I've never been rude to you. Why are you happy that I become a mouse? Bruno started crying. Listen, don't you know what happened? Don't you realize? What are you babbling about? Bruno, I said, a few hours ago, a group of wizards turned you into a mouse. Today turned me to look. You are so liar. I don't believe you. I'm not a mouse, damn. I answered softly to acclaim him. Bruno braced himself and looked down his face. He jumped and cried, good grief. You are right, I have turned in a mouse. He dropped the sandwich and yelled, wait, father, I'm going to tell him. He will do something to help handsome son. Braced membenarkan diri, Annual tahun. Oke, thank you.
Salam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.